Today we're talking about Aerodrome finance. Again, I've covered Aerodrome extensively, and I think people were leaving comments on my previous videos saying I'm not bullish on Aerodrome anymore. I haven't been making videos on it. If you look at my channel, I just haven't been able to upload in general. Definitely looking to get back on the YouTube upload grind here. But at 72 cents at the time of this video, I think a lot of people were wondering that I wasn't making videos on it, meaning I'm not holding the project anymore, meaning I'm not bullish on it, etc., etc. And that's not the case whatsoever. I'm still holding my position, same exact position that I've been holding of Aerodrome. That has not changed, not selling. Obviously, if you sell at this point, you're obviously selling at quite a bit of a loss. I mean, for many people, you're not selling at a loss depending on where you got in. But what you're selling on a lot of potential profit, in my opinion, still, that I believe is to be made on Aerodrome. I do remain bullish on Aerodrome. I do remain in the same sort of narrative and outlook that when altcoin season does come, Aerodrome will benefit. And if you just look at the entire global crypto market, right, the market as a whole is down, right? Bitcoin's kind of reeling, as many would say, down 10% over the last 7 days, etc. All the major players pretty much over the last 7 to 15 days or so have been pretty much in the red, pretty solidified in the red. So again, it's more of a market condition rather than anything specifically Aerodrome is doing. I think there are people that are just fudding Aerodrome, right? Love to FUD crypto. I think that's what many people just like to do in general. They just like to FUD crypto. But we're seeing the trading volume up 20%. The holder count continues to get bigger and bigger. We've smashed through 100,000 holders on Aerodrome, which again, I had been saying for a while that we were going to smash through 100,000 Aerodrome holders. I was thinking we were going to smash through it by, I don't know, the end of June. Here we are, June 24th. We're at 106,000 holders of Aerodrome. So, breaking through those types of price points, right? Entries, I think a great entry level, right? Price prediction or price point here at 72 cents. But we look at Aerodrome, right? Continued updates, continues kind of just bullish news after bullish news. That Aerodrome official Twitter continues to put out, right? Like this is a tweet from 5 days ago. The slipstream ascent continues. Yesterday's slipstream record hit 299 million in volume, marking a record high again for the second day in a row. Slipstream showcasing its reliability and strength once again. And it really, every video I've made, right? You can go back on any video I've made on Aerodrome, right? It's kind of the same sort of narrative. Nothing but good news from the team at Aerodrome, nothing from the official Twitter, right? Volume achievement just launched 10 months ago. We hit 1 billion in volume after 7 months, and just 3 months later, they've reached 10 billion, right? So like the cumulative volume, right? The volume that this DEX, right? The leading DEX on Base is receiving, right? Base still infant stages, in my opinion, right? Base hasn't even been fully, really pushed out in like more than a year, right? So the infant stages of Base, meaning the infant stages of Aerodrome here, and then we look at the potential, right? The long-term potential of Aerodrome with the current market cap, which again the market cap for Uniswap is down. We're talking about $14 per coin, which would be a 19.5x multiplier from the current price point. But again, it wasn't that long ago, you guys, we were seeing Aerodrome clearing $2 in price, right? And obviously $2 in price compared to 72 cents now. It's tough. It's tough if you're holding that in your portfolio. It's tough if you're looking for reasons to remain bullish on Aerodrome. But I think it just goes back to kind of the narrative I've been talking about in every video I've made on any crypto, right? Is that these are long-term plays, and these are altcoins that will or maybe not, positively correlate to how Bitcoin does. I think based on kind of the market pattern that we've seen with Aerodrome, it does kind of move with Bitcoin. Right, there are some altcoins that you wouldn't say that is to be true, but nonetheless, 106,000 holders of Aerodrome literally hasn't even been a project for less than a year. I think many people that are dumping this project are selling potential profits, I guess you could say, way too early here. But again, I remain bullish. I want to just make this video to kind of reiterate that sort of narrative coming from my channel. Again, that is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But again, let me know in the comments below you guys feel about Aerodrome currently. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.